Hello, my name is MTNT and welcome to Saw. Yes, today we are on the Xbox 360 for I believe is the first time ever on this channel, and we are playing through a game which I've always wanted to play but I've never gotten around to it. Saw the game. I am a very morbid person when it comes to horror movies. Saw is probably my most favourite franchise of all time. Granted, it's more gore than horror movies, but I love those movies, man. I'm terrible. I just love watching people get ripped apart. What can I say? So I don't know how much the game follows the original movies. I've had a bit of a brief look up of the game just so I know sort of what I'm getting myself into. So after the events of the first Saw movie, if you're not familiar, I'm about to sort of drag you up. There is a detective in the first film called Detective Tapp who ends up getting shot in the chest and we believe him to be dead. But in this game it turns out Jigsaw's somehow healed him, and now he's putting us through a scenario of games through an abandoned mental asylum. So this just sounds like the perfect horror game to me. I've never seen anyone play it, I've never played it myself, so this is going to be a very first time experience for me and I can't wait to get into it. Damn, it feels so good to be on the Xbox 360, man, it really does. Okay, so there's a difficulty, there's normal or insane. I'm playing through this because I wanna play the story and enjoy myself, so I'm gonna go on normal, not because I'm a little bitch. Okay. We are waking up in a very strange... Oh, we are starting off with the reverse bear trap straight away. This is so messed up. Wow. Oh.
You abuse every resource available to you, tearing apart lives in your quest to find the truth. You have lost your family, your badge, even the life of your partner, Detective Singh. You have lost your health, whittled away by the bullet wound in your chest. But you have not given up, have you? Now we will see if you can overcome your obsession. No doubt you remember the device attached to your jaw. It is evidence.
Oh, I remember that one.
From your investigation, here's what happens if you lose. Free yourself from the device and pursue me, or sit there and let it tear you apart. The choice is yours.
Wow, okay. Oh, we gotta get this thing off. B? Okay. My intention in this game is not to die, but I kind of want to see what happens. I'm gonna let this play out. Ooh. Very bloody. Okay. I was expecting it to be a little bit more graphic than that, but it is a video game, so I'll give it that one. Okay. Now I'm gonna play for real. Okay, that was actually really easy to get off. I thought that'd be harder.
JIGSAW, I won't play your game. I won't.
Wow. He looks nothing like... Oh, we are straight in there. Okay. He looks nothing like Detective Tapp from the movies. I'm not gonna lie. Right, for a game which is... I'd say fairly old. I don't know how old this game is. Okay, so this game came out roughly 2007 is what's telling me on the back. For 2007, this is not bad. This looks quite good. Oh, Okay, it's combination lock. So there's going to be a combination somewhere around the room that will involve me hurting myself if that's how the games work. Toilets? Anything? No. No. No, I can close the doors though. Oh, it's a combination on the doors. No, don't. I want to close this one. Oh, they're backwards. So it's either 4-3-1. 4. Oh, gone completely the wrong way. 3, 1. No. Well, poop. Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh, okay. There's a mirror thing that I'm so clever. I am so smart. I can see that's 4-3-7. Yeah, 4. Okay, not 4-3-1. Oh, so they're being a little bit sneaky sneak. Hey, I'm so clever. Wow. What? Oh. What am I looking at? This, I like this. It really gives me vibes of the films. Oh. Oh, there's a dude in there.
Oh shit! What did you do?
It wasn't me, my friend.
Escaping this room will require teamwork. Activating the panel will open both doors. Detective Tapp, you must first find the object in the toilets to unlock the panel.
Okay.
As for the toilet, I've gathered refuse from the obsessions of drug addicts. Now, Detective,
Oh, the
dig
toilet's
through
full of
others'
syringes.
discarded trash as you forced others to dig through yours. If either one of you fails in your task, the bombs in this room will detonate. I suggest you hurry.
Okay. I don't think that's the original voice actor from the Saw movies, Tobin Bell. Search through the toilet for the fuse before you pass out or from pain. Oh, damn. Alright. Is there a... Have I got it? Wow. Wow. The fuse... okay. I think I did that reasonably fast. I'm sure in real life that would have been a lot more painful.
Are you barefoot? Oh shit! Look, getting across that glass is gonna hurt. You aren't getting my shoes.
Okay, so you have bare feet. Certain hazards in the environment will injure you, like the broken glass ahead. Can I avoid it? I can avoid it. Okay. Am I following this dude now, or did he go through here? I don't think there's anything this way. I don't know. This seems like there would be hidden secrets in this game because it is a Saw game. Oh, we got a health hypo. Okay. Use and hold X to use a health hypodermic. These will restore your health. The longer you hold down X, the more health will be restored. Have I lost any health? How do I check if I've lost health? Okay, no, I've got full health. Wasn't there a guy with me? Oh, I have a light. I have a light. It's a lighter. Wow. That is a dead man. What? I ain't got no key. Okay, there I just... Oh, he's got the Venus flytrap mask thing on. Okay. I hear a timer. Okay, he's dead.
Some never appreciate life until they have to work to save their own. They go from cradle to grave, expecting the world to give them everything. I showed
Okay. So far, I'm really liking this game. Will you appreciate your life? At the moment, I do. If I ever wake up in a jigsaw trap, I'll definitely appreciate my life then. Just before it ends. Oh! Okay. That was unappreciated. Oh. Have I just got to help, like, people as time goes on? Is there any way I can, like, run, or is this as fast as I can go? This guy good? Oh. Audio tape.
Detective Tam will be here soon. This is the first victim of his obsession. He should be able to hear her, but she is drugged. Tam knows how the game works, and what will happen if he does not release her in time. Hide the key to her cell, and we'll see if the detective can protect his witness.
Okay, so there's a woman locked up and I've got to find... Oh!
What are you doing? Sorry, buddy. This is part of my game. Nothing personal. I'd grab something quick, though, if I was you.
Why?
Just give me the key.
Okay, pipe. Why would you give me a chance? Ah! Okay, there's a combat mode. Enter your fists, press A for a light attack. Block would be extra heavy. Okay. Attack him. Oh my god. This is dreadful. He's just not attacking. I am pressing the buttons. Does it require timing or something? That was terrible.
No! You said you'd free me if I brought him here. My game is over.
And he's dead. Okay. Okay, I have got a key. Is this the key I got to use to free the woman? The door's sealed. Alright. There's a note. What note? Many of you are wondering how to escape this place. The answer is simple. Find Detective David Tapp. I have concealed a key inside his body. The key is your only escape. Do what you must to survive. There's a key in my body? Okay, so that key will unlock this door. Ow! Okay, would this be a good time to use that health thing? Okay. Let's just watch out for the glass. Haven't I already been through here? No, I haven't been through here. Alright. Oh, shotgun doors. Jigsaw has booby trap doors in the asylum. Quickly press the appropriate button as the pulley descends. If you press the wrong button or fail to press the right button in time, you will be on the receiving end of a shotgun blast. Oh no. Wow, can I not take that shotgun? Some locked doors can be picked with items found in the wild. Okay, so I need like a nail or something, I think it says that. Can you open this door? Alright, let's have a... Ooh. So, do I have to take the key out of myself? Okay, this is weird. I've got to take a key out of myself, but apparently I'm not doing it in this room. But I do have a way to get out of here now. What's in here? Anything in here I can take? No, useless room. So I can lockpick now. Oh. Okay. I got it. These are some of those really old sort of video game puzzles, and I'm into it. I love it. Mixture of saw and a door closing on its own. No, I need a key for that one. Oh! You poor man! You poor man. Audio tape.
Not all my subjects protest their gains, such as you, Detective. Some seek purpose and to be tested. Some even create their own tests.
I sort of want to see what happens when your head gets blown off, but I think I can guess. Okay, if I know video games, that looks like something I can bust through. I need some sort of fuse there. Some of you potential walls starting to buckle in some areas. Yeah, okay, get that. So I can just... There you go. That was easy. Oh, I got the fuse I wanted. Does this open? No, it does not. Alright. Okay, so if I put this in here. Was that in there? That's here. Oh. What? So do I need the key? Oh, first aid cabinet. Anything in here I can take? Okay, another health hypo. There's no pipe there. Okay, so I need someone called A. Faulkner, I think that's how that's pronounced. Ah, this is the person. Okay. Nice.
No, not again. I passed your test already.
Is that Amanda?
I'm sorry, okay? I couldn't help it.
Of course you could. You chose to let your addiction consume you again and again.
Okay, fair enough. Oh wait, no, I got the key. I can go and help the woman now. If I can just find where that is. Is it through this way? Did I just open... Is that... Okay, he hurt himself. Okay, so I've got to go over a balance beam and just not fall, basically. No. Okay, this is actually relatively easy. Alright, okay, so I need to go to the surgical theatre. I can rescue her. I need another key. Why are there so many keys? If it is Amanda from the films, then I actually do not want to help this woman. Oh. Do I want to know what that does? Okay, I got a nail, so... Nothing found. Oh. Okay, this is starting to become a little bit tedious with the locks. Anything in there? Okay, okay, we're getting a lot of these health hypos. I like that. Yeah, I don't like the fact that I'm in major jump scare territory. Like, seriously, I am prepared for something. And we have another one of these. I don't think I want to jump down there just yet, to be honest. I want to wait for that one. This place is a maze. Oh, no, it's just another pipe. Bandages. Oh, there's another doorway here. Didn't see this. Really? This door has a shotgun on it, and that's all that's in here, a pipe. Okay. Did I just step on glass? Like a mug. Door is bolted from the other side. Have I missed something? Oh no, it's done. Okay. Oh!
He's almost here.
For God's sake.
He is faster than I anticipated.
Dad? The cop that's been chasing you and interrogating me? Why?
He is here to face his obsession and to make a choice. Your life will depend on his decision.
You let more people get kidnapped? Like me?
Okay. Oh, I got a fuse. This is awful. Okay. Nail bombs.
The key to any puzzle lies in its pieces. Sometimes you have to look at a problem from a completely different perspective.
Okay, so I'm guessing it's something to do with these. I don't want to touch them, to be honest, until I know what they do. Look at them from a different perspective. What's that even mean? Okay. A gun? Is that what? Is that the only one I need to open? The gun? I need to leave. Get out. Get out. Go.
Your way, detective. Sometimes you need to search to find the obvious.
Oh! Where's he going? Oh. Okay, well that place is blown up. So I need to go back to the security checkpoint so I can use his coupler. But I can't remember where that is. I'm not gonna hurt you. He's gonna attack me anyway, isn't he? Can he not hear me? Was it this that required the coupler? Yeah, it was. Okay. Oh. Explore the officers. Okay. Music is eerie. I have a nail. Don't know what to do with it, but I have a nail. Ah! Stop walking over glass. Okay, I can break through this. Does the suspenseful music mean I'm on some sort of timer? I don't know where I'm... What?
You're the reason I'm here.
What do I have to do?
Give me the key. This
Okay. I am about to die. Did I just trap myself in a room? Okay.
In front of you holds the badge of the partner you failed to protect.
Okay.
Fitting, since it also holds the key to free the witness you chose not to protect. Do you remember her name, Detective? Or did you squeeze her for information and throw her away? You have the key to her chamber. Hurry, or she will join the fate of your late partner.
I'm so sorry.
So is the key to the room she's in, is that the one that's inside me? Nail bombs. Oh my god, I've got 1 minute. What do I need to do? It's a combination lock again. Alright, alright, yeah. Anything in here? I don't have a fuse. Ah! I have a fuse. What did I do? 579. 5, 7. Oh. Oh no. So, okay, I got it. Surgical theatre key. Okay, but. Every time I make some sort of progression, there's a pig mask. Oh, he's taking me right here. Alright. What is the point in that? Okay, rescue the victim in Jigsaw's trap. I'm pretty sure that it is Amanda that I'm trying to help. But I don't know.
I know you didn't.
Promise I won't do it anymore. The drugs, the cutting, none of it.
I know you won't.
I don't know what else I can say, what else I can give.
Your life.
Okay. I want to help you. Okay, there she is. I know the story of Saw, and I know she is very much on Jigsaw's side at this point in the story. So she's playing me.
Hello, Amanda. You remember me? I want to play a game. You told our friendly detective that I saved you. You forgot your lesson. You damaged your body with drugs and pain. Now the needle will save your life. Each of you will be injected with different poisons that will slowly break down your body. The device in front of you contains the antidotes to each of the poisons. The red vials go to the left, and the blue vials to the right. But be careful. Incorrectly mixing the antidotes will cause some discomfort. The last time we played, you freed yourself by taking a life. Now your only salvation is to put your trust in someone else.
Oh, damn. Okay. Alright. Oh. What? Okay, I understand how that works now. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. Okay, so that'll go that way, that'll go that way. This has got to be the last one, surely. I'm still going? Wait, why are there two on there now? Okay, okay, I get it. I got it, I got it. I messed up. I messed up. Okay. Okay. Is that done? Have I saved her? Oh, thank God for that.
It's okay. You're okay.
What did you do to me? What did you do?
I'm not him. I'm not the one who...
It's okay. I'm okay, I know. Look, we have to play by his rules. I saw him. I saw him.
Who is he? What did he look like?
That's all you care about? I just nearly died. We're all here because of you, detective. Oh, hell it is.
Wow. Okay, getting a bit of a theme to the story now.
I can't believe I'm here again. Look, you know I made it through one of his tests before. Right now, we have to be careful. Doors aren't what they seem. Crazy people.
I have a feeling this entire asylum is trapped.
Really?
Play by the rules, and we both might make it.
Wow.
He's watching.
He has a feeling that the whole
You
place is
already
trapped.
survived one trap by him. How can you...
Clearly, I failed the test. That's why he brought me back here, and with a fucking cop, no less. Just be sure of this. Jigsaw's in control, not you, detective.
Okay, so I am gonna leave it there. I really enjoy the game. There's a couple of bits which I feel need a little bit more explaining before you do them, but I'm really enjoying this game so far, and I can follow on from the story if you've watched all the Saw films. If you guys would like to see a second episode, please let me know. Not that anyone ever comments, because I make these videos for myself apparently. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and comment for more videos, and until next time, peace out guys, peace out.